In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up the Arkscan MCM5 camera and smartphone mounting pedestal. The mount should arrive assembled, except for the spring-loaded smartphone mount. Let's begin by identifying all of the parts: the pedestal arm, clamp mount, a 1/4 inch by 20 threaded camera adapter, and the spring-loaded smartphone mount. The clamp on the MCM5 has a wide range of motion. The tightening knob is easy to grip and allows for a tight and secure fit. Using the adjustment screw to loosen the arms, we are able to rotate the arms with 360-degree range of motion. And then you can tighten the arm in any position that is needed. If the adjustment screw is hitting what you've clamped the mount to and is unable to rotate and tighten or loosen, you can pull outward to disengage the screw and allow for free rotation. You can then let go and it will re-engage the screw. Each end of the arm has a ball joint connection. The ball joints provide even more freedom in the adjustability of the mount. To mount a DSLR camera or camcorder, line up the adapter screw with the camera socket, and then turn the red knob to tighten the camera body onto the camera adapter. There is also the spring-loaded smartphone mount. It offers 2 mounting points. For either location, line up the threads with the socket and turn the red knob to tighten the smartphone mount onto the threaded adapter. The mount is easily adjustable and allows you to insert or remove your phone with a single hand.